Python string comparison with different case and float. Why Python is giving output like this? It should be true for both cases. Right? Edit. I got the idea of ASCII table. Thanks. Now what about this? Is 11.1 is being treated as 11.1?
The key insight here is that string comparison doesn't compare based on alphabetical order or any natural order, but instead on the order of the characters in ASCII. You can see this order in an ASCII table. Python will compare the first character in each string, and if it is the same will move on to the next. It will do this until the characters differ, or one string runs out, in which case the longer string will be considered greater. As C.D. Howie pointed out, in a decimal ASCII encoding T is 84, A is 97, and T is 116. Therefore, to show our second point, to get a more natural comparison, see, does Python have a built-in function for string natural sort? To answer the question, you added in an edit. As @glib pointed out, the above is incorrect. In Python, different types are compared based on the name of their type. So, since str is greater than float, any string will be greater than any float. Alternatively, any tuple will be greater than any string.
Because it comes after T in the ASCII character set, but before T. The decimal ASCII encoding of these letters. T is 84, A is 97, T is 116.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.